So as we get back to school this week, Monday and Tuesday will be some get to know you kinds of things, reviewing routines, teaching new routines, those kind of things. Starting on Wednesday, we will start getting back into math, and they're going to start us with 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, which should hopefully be a review. Anything you can do as we prepare for that to refresh basic multiplication facts would be greatly appreciated. And I thought I would model the two ways that I'll be doing 2-digit multiplication in my room. So we have this problem here. The center section of the auditorium has 24 rows of seats. There are 18 seats in each row. How many seats are in the center section? One way that a lot of kids are familiar with is the area model. And so that looks like this. So you draw a rectangle. It's 2-digit by 2-digit. So you kind of make a plus in the middle. 24 becomes 20 and 4, 18 becomes 10 and 8. So in this first box, it's 10 times 20, and that's 200. This box would be 10 times 4, which is 40. This box would be 8 times 20, that's 160, and 8 times 4, which is 32. Then what we do is we take those 4 partial products and we add them up. So we have 200. I kind of like to do them in order, but it doesn't matter. The biggest thing that kids struggle with is making sure that they line up their digits. So that gives us 200 plus 160 plus 40 plus 32, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So our answer should be 432 seats. Just to be sure, this again is called the area model. It's just a way of breaking it down and doing partial products. I'm also going to do traditional multiplication. So that would be 24 times 18. This is the only way I learned to do it when I was in school. But I like that there's a way to break it down for kids. It just is more steps. We want them to eventually get to this because this is going to be the most efficient. So I start with the ones. 8 times 4 is 32. Then I do 8 times 2 is 16. Add in those 3. That's 192. Okay, then I'm going to do 1 times 4. Oops, before I go to the 1, I have to drop that 0. A lot of kids forget that step. When I go to this tens place, that 0 becomes my placeholder because I'm not actually doing 1 times 24. I'm doing 10 times 24. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. Some people know this as the butterfly method. Some call it the bow tie method. I sometimes will color code that too. Anyway, so now I'm going to add these together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. Regroup the 1. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4. So 432 seats. Again, anything you can do in the next few days just to kind of be getting their brain back into multiplication mode would be greatly appreciated as we head into starting with 2-digit times 2-digit multiplication on Wednesday. I hope this helps. I hope this makes sense. Please let me know if you have any questions.